So this is Euro Pound analysis for Thursday, 26th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So we have seen price come down towards the 88.74, from which we've seen some buy side momentum come into the market. The strength of the bulls doesn't appear very strong at the moment. So there remains a possibility of seeing a turnaround and a retest of the 88.74. But if we do see this upwards momentum continuation, we are looking to see a price direct around 89.14. Very strong average previous active resistance, successful break from which then we're looking for prices potentially to head up towards the 89.45 here on the Euro Pound. Likewise, if we do see a breakdown and we fail to hold support in around 88.74, with the added confidence of the 400 period moving average, does increase likelihood of a bullish bounce. But if we do fail to see that bullish bounce, we do break down beyond the 88.74, we're looking for a move down to the 88.51. And if we do see volatility bring us beyond 88.51, we're looking at that very key level from a daily chart perspective of that 88.20, which we'd expect to be the far end of the range here to the downside on the euro against the pound. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. We get scale on here correct. As we can see here on Euro Pound, the trend has been to the upside. We saw an acceleration of momentum up towards 89.45, from which prices have stalled, and we have seen a pullback down towards 88.74. In around 88.74 again, we've had a bit of a brief pullback to the upside, but we have not seen that strength follow through here. So there remains a possibility of having a retest, and if we do see a retest and failure, we did mention 88.20 being a key level, and that's primarily because we do have the 200 period moving average from a daily chart perspective sitting in around that 88.20 here on the euro against the pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Overall, there does appear to still be a somewhat bullish bias here on the euro against the pound, despite the sharp pullback. We'll see whether that 88.74 does hold for a potential bounce, but overall the trend has been to the upside here on the euro pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.